Hello students, we are now going to begin with practice set 13. In the previous lecture, we have seen how to find the HCF and LCM. For finding the LCM, what you have to remember? You have to take the L. L you have to take for multiplying, and for finding HCF, only the left hand side column. And the property that we studied was product of two given numbers is equal to product of HCF and LCM. It is true for two numbers. It is not true for three numbers. That also we have seen in the previous lecture. Now let's begin with practice set 13, which is first question is find the LCM. Find the LCM. And the first example is 12 and 15. So first step is write the numbers 12 and 15. Now what is the first factor of 12 also and 15 also means common factor? It is 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Now 4 and 5 does not have any common factor. In the LCM method, what we have studied, that if there are three numbers, then at least two numbers should have common factors. But here there are two numbers only and both of them does not have a common factor. So our prime factorization procedure completes here. Therefore, LCM equal to 3 into 4 into 5. L. 3 into 4 into 5. So, the answer is 60. Okay, 4 5s are 20. 23s are 60. Next one. 6, 8 and 10. What is the first factor of 6, 8 and 10? It is 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. So, if we are finding HCF, then the problem will end here only, because 3, 4 and 5 does not have any common factor. 3, 4 और 5 ये तीनों नंबर सेम टेबल में नहीं आते हैं, पर अभी हम LCM निकाल रहे हैं तो 3 नहीं आ रहे हैं, तो एटलीस्ट हम 2 के लिए भी चेक कर सकते हैं. कोई 2 नंबर भी आ रहे होंगे सेम टेबल में तीनों में से, तो भी हम आगे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं LCM में. पर यहाँ 2 नंबर भी हम लेंगे तो वो भी सेम टेबल में नहीं आ रहे हैं. इफ़ वी टेक 3 and 4, नो कॉमन फैक्टर. 4 and 5, नो कॉमन फैक्टर. 3 and 5 also no common factor. Means the procedure will end here. So LCM will be equal to L, multiplication of L, means 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So answer is 2 5s are 10, 3 4s are 12, 12 10s are 120. So LCM is 120. Next one is 18 and 32. First write the number. Now what is the common factor for 18 and 32? The factor is 2. So 2 9s are 18 and 2 16s are 32. 2 into what number is 32? If you can't solve this orally, then what you have to do? You have to do division. 32 divided by 2. Answer is 16. Now 9 and 16. Is there any common factor for 9 and 16? No, there is no common factor for 9 and 16. So procedure will end here. Therefore LCM equal to 2 into 9 into 16. Answer is 288. 2 into 9 into 16. L-shape multiplication. Fourth one is 10, 15, 20. So first write down the numbers. Now what will be the first factor, common factor for these three numbers? We will take as 5. because here there is 0 and here there is 5. Now 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. अब अगर ये HCF का प्रॉब्लम होता तो ये प्रोसीजर यहाँ ख़त्म हो जाती, बिकॉज देयर इज़ नो कॉमन फैक्टर फॉर 2 3 and 4. तीनों का कॉमन फैक्टर तो कोई नहीं है, पर ये LCM है. तो LCM में हमने क्या देखा है कि तीनों का अगर नहीं है तो कोई दो का भी अगर कॉमन फैक्टर है तो उसको आगे सॉल्व करो और तीसरे नंबर को वैसे ही छोड़ दो. सो देयर इज़ अ कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ 2 and 4. व्हाट इज़ दैट फैक्टर? 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 cannot divide 3. So 3 you will leave it as it is. 3 we will leave it as it is. So now again check 1 3 and 2. No common factor for 1 3 and 2 and no common factor for 3 and 2 also. That means procedure will complete here. So what will be the LCM? Multiplication of L. Therefore LCM equal to 5 into 2 into 3 into 2. No need of taking 1 because into 1 means same number only we will get. 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 6 10s are 60. So LCM is 60. Now the fifth one we will take, 45 and 86. Now for 45 and 86, the only common factor over here is 3. Can we take 3? 2 we cannot take because here there is 5. Now we will try for 3. 5 plus 4 is 9. So 45 is divisible by 3. And 8 plus 6, it is 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 is not divisible by 3. So 86 is also not divisible by 3. In the same way, if we think about other factors, then there will be no common factors for 45 and 86. These are not big numbers. Okay, 45 and 86, if we think about all the tables from 1 to 10, at least 1 to 10 tables are learned by everyone. So 45 and 86 does not come in any common table. So what we will take in such a case? We will take as 1. So the common factor of 45 and 86 is 1. 145s are 45, 186 are 86. So if we think about the HCF, then HCF will be 1, but here we have to find the LCM. So LCM will be multiplication of L, means 1 into 45 into 86. Now 1 into anything is same number, and 45 into 86, the answer is 3870, 3870. So when such numbers are there which have only 1 as a common factor, such numbers are called coprime numbers. We have already seen such two numbers are called as coprime numbers. और कोप्राइम नंबर्स का LCM जब हम निकालते हैं तो हमें उन्हीं दो नंबर्स को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ता है. We have to multiply those two numbers with itself for finding the LCM. Understood? Now the sixth one, 15, 30 and 90. So the first common factor that you can see here is 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 6 are 30 and 5 into how much is 90. If you cannot do this orally, then you can do here division. 5 1s are 5, 5 8s are 40. So 5 into 18 is 90. 5 3s are 15, 5 6 are 30, 5 18s are 90. Now another common factor for these 3 is 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and 3 6 are 18. Now, if we are solving HCF, then the procedure will end here only. Okay, but now we are doing LCM. So, we will check two numbers. These two numbers are divisible by 2. So, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, and this one as it is copy down. So, what will be the LCM? LCM equal to L. L multiplication 5 into 3 into 2 into 3. 1, no need to write 1. So, the answer will be 5 twos are 10, 3 threes are 9, 10 nines are 90. LCM is 90. Understood? Next one. 105 and 195. So, what is the first common factor that you can think about? It is 5 because last digit is 5. Now, 5 twos are 10 and 5 ones are 5. So, 21. Here, 5 threes are 15 and 5 nines are 45. Okay. 195 divided by 5. 5 threes are 15. Here will be 4 and 5. 5 nines are 45. So 39 is the answer. Now, which number will be factor of 21 also and 39 also? Can you think of a number which is a common factor of 21 and 39? So we can think as 3 because here 2 plus 1 3, so it is divisible by 3. 9 plus 3 12, 12 is also divisible by 3. So 3 7s are 21 and 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 13s are 39. Now 7 and 13 both are prime numbers. So, they do not have any factor in common. Therefore, LCM equal to 5 into 3 into 7 into 13. And the answer of this multiplication is 1365. Okay. 1365. Next one. 12. 15 and 45. What is the first common factor that you can think for these three numbers? You can think of a 3. 2 plus 1 3, 5 plus 1 6, 4 plus 5 9. All these three numbers are divisible by 3. So 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15 and 3 15s are 45. 15 3s are 45. Now, three numbers do not have common factor, but we can take these two numbers. So, the common factor for these two numbers is 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15 and 5 cannot divide 4. So, 4 we will copy as it is. So, here the LCM will be 3 into 5 into 4 into 3. So, therefore, LCM equal to 3 into 5 into 4 into 3. No need of writing this one. 3 into 5 into 4 into 3. So, answer is 180. Okay. 5 4s are 20. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18 and is 0. 20 into 9 is 180. Now the next one. 63 and 81. 63 and 81. 2 cannot be a common factor. So think about 3. 6 plus 3 9 means this number is divisible by 3. 8 plus 1 9 means this number also divisible by 3. So we will take here 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, and here also 3 2s are 6 and 3 7s are 21. How you will do this division? 81 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. Now 21 and 27 again divisible by 3. 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. Now 7 and 9 are not do not have any common factor. They are co-prime. So therefore LCM equal to 3 into 3 into 7 into 9. L-shape multiplication. So 9, 3 into 3, 9. 9 9s are 81. And 81 into 7, it is 567. Understood? This is the LCM. Now the last one. 18, 36 and 27. Now the first common factor for these three numbers is 3. 8 plus 1 9, 6 plus 3 9, 7 plus 2 9. All these three numbers are divisible by 3. 3 6 are 18, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 9s are 27. Now again all these three numbers are divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Now अगर ये HCF होता तो हम यही रुक जाते थे, बट दिस इज LCM और 2 और 4 ये दोनों का कॉमन फैक्टर है 2. सो वी विल टेक 2. 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and this 3 we will leave it as it is. So what is the LCM now? L-shape multiplication. 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3. So the answer of this multiplication is 108. Okay. 3 3s are 9. 3s are 27. 27. 2 into 2 4. 27 into 4 is 108. So LCM is 108. So this is your question number 1. Now in question number 2, what we have to do? Find the HCF and LCM of given numbers. Verify that their product is equal to the product of given numbers. Means we have to find HCF and LCM and we have to verify the property. Now see the first example, 32 and 37. One number is even number and the second number is odd number and it is a prime number also. So there will be no common factor of 32 and 37. So what we can take here? 1. 1 32s are, 1 37s are. So what will be the HCF here? 1. And LCM will be L-shape multiplication. Means 32 into 37. What is the answer? 1184. This is the HCF. This is the LCM. Now first we will take the product of HCF and LCM. So 1 into this number means the same number. And if we take the product of given numbers, so given numbers are also 32 and 37. So their product will be also 1184. Means product of HCF LCM is 1184. Product of given numbers 1184. So these two products are equal. This we have verified. Second example also same. 46 and 51. 46 is even number. 51 is odd number. And 51 is a prime number. So these two numbers have the common factor only 1. 146 are, 151 are. So HCF is 1. LCM is these two numbers product and it comes out to be 2346. Now HCF into LCM. 1 into this number means answer will be the same number. And product of given numbers also 46 into 51. These are the given numbers. Their product means 46 into 51. Already we have found the answer. Same answer means HCF into LCM, this answer. Product of given number, this answer. They are same. Means this product and this product are equal. Now the third one we will see. Third one is 15 and 60. Now what will be the first common factor? You can see it is 5. 5 3s are 15. Okay. And 5 12s are 60. Now the next factor is 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. So what will be the HCF? HCF will be left side column multiplication, means 5 into 3, which is 15. Now LCM. LCM will be L-shaped multiplication. 5 into 3 into 4. So answer will be 60. Okay. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. Now what will be the product of HCF into LCM? It will be 15 into 60. 15 into 60 means how much? 15 zeros are 0. 15 6 are 90. 900. And the given numbers are also 15 and 16. So their product will also be 900. Okay, so product of given numbers equal to 15 into 60 means this also 900. So what we can say again? Therefore HCF into LCM. HCF और LCM को मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद भी हमको 900 मिला और दिए हुए नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद भी हमें 900 मिला. मतलब ये प्रोडक्ट और ये प्रोडक्ट दोनों कैसे है? इक्वल. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू गिवन numbers. So in the same way, now you have to solve the third and fourth question. Okay, 3 I have done for you. Fourth and fifth question is your homework. These 10 questions I have explained to you. Question number 1 we have completed. Question number 2, 3 questions I have explained. So fourth and fifth is your homework, and you have to complete this practice set 13 in your notebook. Understood? Thank you.